am a prize. I am the prize. I am worthy and deserving of everything I desire. I am worthy and deserving of everything I desire. I am a magnet to everything I desire. I am magnetic. I am radiant. I am so beautiful and so attractive. I radiate such a beautiful light and magnetism. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am chosen. I am the one. I am the best option. I am the first choice. I am top tier. I am the top priority. I am on the pedestal. I am the one. I am a prize, and I am the prize. I am golden. I am a gem. I am irreplaceable and unforgettable. I am uncomparable. There is no one in the world that could take my place. I am one of a kind. I am a prize. I am the prize. I am top tier. I am the one. I am magnetic to everything I desire. I am so deserving. I am so worthy. I am chosen. No one could ever take my place. I am a winner. I am a star. I am a champion. I am a winner because I never give up. I persist forward. I keep going. I never back down. I am so resilient and so strong and fierce and unstoppable, unbeatable. I am a prize. I am the prize. I am a champion, a winner. I am a warrior. I look myself in the mirror and tell myself, you are unstoppable. You are unbeatable. You are fearless. No fear can stop me. I keep going. I never give up. I always persist. Every day I tell myself this because I have a warrior mindset and I don't back down. I know my worth. I know my value. I know and love who I am, and I am the prize. I am a prize.